moving location. It's up here a little bit. No point putting away the tripod because it's just up here is where I'm going. Oh, look at this. Step down there. You coming down? Just working on a nice composition here. Just F18 2.5 of a second. Long exposure, aperture priority. Take that shot. Looks good on the back of the camera. Nice light. That's pretty much what I'm taking there. The lens is 28-80. It's an old lens, but it's a good lens. I'm gonna focus stack this. Got people coming down. People coming down there. I didn't want to get them on the camera. So I focused here, I focused back here. I'm just going to focus back here and take this shot. This is all without a ND filter. Sun is just peeking out of the trees there. Flow of the water is very high today as it was raining for the past couple of days. Lovely shot over there. Just going to take that shot back there. F11 here. Right at F11. Let's go here in the back of the street. we had to call it a day because the weather got drowned it. We got hot in a big shower. So we're going to go back home and have a shower. You know, these wet clothes. Yeah, I got some good shots, I think, I hope. So hopefully it'll all work out. A beautiful area, this Clare Glens. You should come here and check it out. That's only a little bit of the trail that I did today. You have to wear hiking boots here, as it can be very slippy. It's like a big forest area with, there's a trail on this side, and if you go down here there's a bridge, down here there's a bridge, and there's another trail over there. The other trail over there brings you up to the very tip top, and there's a beautiful waterfall, but I won't be going there today. The weather's treacherous. You see there, like, it's all muddy. Crap. So, and I have to mind the little one. So, whatever about taking my own life, not worrying about hers. The tree looks like a crocodile. We have no crocodiles here in Ireland, so thank God for that. Yeah, some beautiful shots here. Pity about the weather though today, but I just needed to get out. So, this one anyway is for my son Max, because he loves waterfalls and he wanted me to make a video for him. So yeah, nice shot to be got there as well. I got one there before with the pools of water swirling. Couple of nice shots there as well, the trail. And, yeah, so I'll sign off and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.